Hello, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Loki Dog YouTube channel, 2Gs and Dog. And for today's video, I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers, Part 3. Like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Man, I really wish it would save my progress. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna be doing part 4 of my Subway Surfer series, so stay tuned for that. It'll probably get posted tomorrow. No, I'm probably gonna be posting every weekend, maybe some days on weekdays, but mostly on weekends. Basically, anytime I'm free, I'll be posting. But I also have school and lacrosse, so. Damn. I died. I'm gonna reset this. Hopefully it saves my progress. Oh, 500 coins. Bet. Well, new high score. Let's go. Hopefully it's less laggy. Oh, bro. I jumped way too early on that. I jumped way too early. Alright, this is gonna be better. I literally just woke up like an hour ago, so I'm still a little tired, but alright, I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook on this. Let's go, I'm gonna cook. I'm cooking. Yes, I got a box. Let's go. Let's go. I got a box. Yeah, I got the jetpack. Let's go. Let's go. I love the jetpacks. They're like my favorite. Oh, no, I just missed it. There was another jetpack, but just missed it. Sadly, I just missed it. Yeah, there was another jetpack. Let's go, I just missed that train. Alright, I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Oh, come on. Come on. I could have done better. 3 hoverboards, let's go. Under 24 coins. Okay, let's go, I'm cooking. I love the boxes, they almost always have coins or hoverboards. I'm gonna get a new high score. Let's go. I'm totally getting a new high score. Got 414 coins. I'm definitely gonna get a new high score. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna play one more and then I'm gonna sign off. Oh, I got a key. Let's go. New high score 5,134. That was really short, so I'm gonna play one more. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna get that jetpack. Let's go, jetpack. Alright, I'm signing off. Like and subscribe to my channel, Loki Dog YouTube channel. I'll see you back to my next video. Subway Surfers Part 4, so stay tuned. See you back in Part 4. Bye.